In this video, I will show you how to improve your YouTube thumbnail design using Thumbnail Creator. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser, go to the address bar, and type in thumbnailcreator.com. Once the website loads, I scroll down to look at the features and then accept the cookie preferences prompt on screen. Next, I head up to the top right corner and click on Start Now. This brings me to the onboarding screen where I can make my first thumbnail for free. I click on the YouTube video URL input field and paste my video link right inside. Once the link is pasted, the system gets ready to render the preview, so I click on the Make My Thumbnail button. Now, I am prompted to create a free account to generate the preview. I select Continue with Google and choose my account to sign in. After logging in, the page loads my freshly generated YouTube thumbnail preview titled Scripts in Seconds. To unlock the full design editor and download options, I click on the Start Free Trial button. This takes me to the Stripe checkout page. Here, I review the 7-day free trial details, switch the currency preference to USD, and check the payment options before entering the required payment details to start the trial. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.